FM-200 system. Welcome to our course on FM-200 fire suppression systems. In this session, we will explore the features and benefits of FM-200 as a fire suppression agent. Understanding the role of FM-200 is crucial for effective fire safety management. We will cover its mechanism, components, and best practices for implementation. Let's begin our discussion on FM-200 systems. Introduction to FM-200 fire suppression systems. FM-200 uses HFC-227EA, a colorless and odorless gas for fire suppression. It releases the agent to suppress fires by absorbing heat, minimizing damage to property. Understanding its function is critical for effective fire management. Regular assessments ensure that FM-200 systems are operational when needed. Effective use of FM-200 can enhance overall fire safety. Understanding the mechanism of FM-200. FM-200 is stored in cylinders and piped to the protected area. The system quickly detects fire and releases gas within seconds. It lowers oxygen concentration to suppress combustion effectively. Understanding this mechanism is vital for the safe operation of FM-200 systems. Regular training ensures personnel know how to handle FM-200 effectively. Activation methods for FM-200 systems. FM-200 systems can be triggered by smoke, heat, or flame detectors. The control panel monitors system status and triggers the release of the agent. One of the key benefits is that no residue is left, eliminating cleanup requirements. Understanding activation methods supports effective fire management. Regular checks ensure that detection systems function properly. Key components of the FM-200 system. The key components include FM-200 storage containers, a piping network, and nozzles. These components work together to distribute gas to protected areas. Understanding the components enhances overall system reliability. Regular inspections ensure that all components are functional and well maintained. Training staff on component specifications supports effective fire management. Overview of the detection system. The detection system includes smoke and heat detectors that signal the control panel to release FM-200. Understanding the importance of this system is critical for effective fire safety. Regular assessments ensure that the detection system is operational. Training personnel on detection protocols enhances overall safety measures. Effective detection is essential for rapid response in emergencies. Functions of the control panel in FM-200 systems. The control panel serves as the central hub for monitoring system status. It activates FM-200 release and provides alerts during emergencies. A manual release station is available for immediate action in urgent situations. Understanding the control panel's functions supports effective fire management. Regular checks ensure that the control panel operates correctly. Design considerations for effective FM-200 implementation. Conducting a hazard analysis for specific risks is crucial for effective design. Ensure that system capacity is adequate for the protected area. Design should facilitate even distribution of FM-200 throughout the space. Understanding these considerations enhances overall system effectiveness. Regular evaluations ensure that design specifications are met. Benefits of utilizing FM-200 in fire protection. FM-200 offers fast and effective fire suppression capabilities. It is safe for occupants, requiring minimal cleanup after discharge. The system is environmentally friendly and provides design flexibility. Understanding these benefits supports effective fire safety planning. Regular training ensures personnel are familiar with FM-200 advantages. Limitations and challenges of FM-200 systems. FM-200 systems are limited to enclosed spaces and are not suitable for open areas. They can incur high installation and maintenance costs. Periodic recharge is necessary for continued effectiveness. Understanding these limitations supports effective fire management. Regular assessments ensure that personnel are aware of system challenges. Safety considerations when using FM-200. FM-200 can displace oxygen, making proper design crucial for safety. Compliance with regulations is necessary to avoid penalties. Trained personnel are required for operation and maintenance to ensure safety. Understanding safety considerations enhances overall fire safety management. Regular training ensures awareness of safety protocols. Environmental considerations of FM-200 usage. FM-200 has low toxicity but a high global warming potential. Proper disposal is necessary to prevent environmental contamination. Consideration of alternatives with lower environmental impact is essential. Understanding environmental considerations supports effective fire safety planning. Regular assessments ensure compliance with environmental regulations. Safety protocols for operating FM-200 systems. Only authorized personnel should operate FM-200 systems. Ensure air quality is safe before re-entry after discharge. Display warning signs in protected areas to inform occupants. Understanding safety protocols enhances overall fire safety management. Regular training ensures compliance with safety measures. Future innovations in FM-200 technology. Future innovations include integration with building automation for better monitoring. Improved detection technologies are being developed for faster response. Research is ongoing for alternative agents with lower environmental impact. Understanding these innovations supports effective fire safety planning. Regular assessments ensure that systems remain up to date with advancements. Criteria for selecting FM-200 systems. When selecting FM-200 systems, use approved materials per standards. Ensure that components are sourced from a single manufacturer for compatibility. Compliance with local regulations is essential for effective fire management. Understanding selection criteria enhances overall safety measures. Regular evaluations ensure that systems meet required standards. Designing FM-200 systems for specific applications. Consult licensed fire protection engineers when designing FM-200 systems. Consider building size, occupancy, and materials for effective implementation. Design must meet fire safety requirements specific to the environment. Understanding design considerations enhances overall safety measures. Regular assessments ensure compliance with fire safety regulations. Installation procedures for FM-200 systems. Installation procedures involve running pipes and installing nozzles throughout the building. Connect systems to water and foam concentrate supplies as necessary. Ensure compliance with local fire codes during installation. Understanding installation procedures supports effective fire management. Regular evaluations ensure proper installation practices are followed. Proportioning techniques for FM-200 applications. Balanced pressure and inline proportioning methods are essential for effective applications. Bladder tank systems facilitate effective mixing for fire suppression. Batch mixing may be used for portable applications. Understanding proportioning techniques enhances overall system effectiveness. Regular assessments ensure that mixing methods are appropriate. System testing and validation for FM-200. Conduct flow and functional tests after installation to ensure system effectiveness. Verify that all components activate as intended during testing. Obtain approval from local authorities for compliance. Understanding testing protocols supports effective fire safety management. Regular evaluations ensure systems are maintained for readiness. Maintenance requirements for FM-200 systems. Regular inspections and testing are necessary for system reliability. Keep records of maintenance activities to ensure compliance. Understanding maintenance requirements enhances overall fire safety. Regular assessments ensure that systems remain operational. Training personnel on maintenance procedures supports effective management. Training personnel on FM-200 operations. Personnel must be trained on FM-200 system operation and emergency response procedures. Conduct drills to ensure preparedness and familiarity with the system. Understanding training requirements supports effective fire management. Regular training sessions enhance overall safety measures. Commitment to training contributes to successful firefighting efforts. Documentation practices for FM-200 systems. Maintain records of inspections, incidents, and repairs for compliance. Documenting maintenance activities is essential for operational readiness. Understanding documentation practices supports effective fire safety management. Regular assessments ensure that records are accurate and up to date. Effective documentation contributes to overall system reliability. Addressing challenges in FM-200 implementation. Challenges include high initial costs and maintenance demands. There is potential for false alarms and system failures in some cases. The complexity of systems requires specialized training for operators. Understanding these challenges supports effective fire management. Regular evaluations ensure that challenges are addressed proactively. Evaluating the environmental impact of FM-200. Evaluate the environmental impact of FM-200 usage on global warming potential. Explore alternatives with lower impacts to enhance sustainability. Ensure proper disposal methods to minimize environmental risks. Understanding environmental evaluation supports effective fire safety planning. Regular assessments ensure compliance with environmental standards. Conclusion: the effectiveness of FM-200 systems in fire safety. FM-200 systems are reliable for enclosed spaces, offering rapid fire suppression. They minimize damage to property and equipment during incidents. Ongoing advancements in technology improve performance and safety. Understanding the effectiveness of FM-200 supports effective fire management. Commitment to FM-200 systems enhances overall fire safety measures. Thank you. Thank you for participating in our course on FM-200 systems. I hope you found the information valuable for understanding fire safety measures. Our next class will focus on kitchen suppression, where we will explore additional essential concepts in fire suppression. We look forward to seeing you there.